Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Airification. Today I'll show you how to create this premium CB resume template in Microsoft Word document. Okay, you can download this template from this link. I will attach the template link in the video description. Okay, so let's start. So firstly we create a new Microsoft Word document, then double click on this Word document. Okay, let's start. So firstly we should go the insert option, then click on shape, then click on rectangle, then drag the rectangle tool and create a rectangle on the left side. Okay, then increase it. We can zoom out. Okay, and also okay, perfect. Now we will fill a color of the shape. It will be gray color and there will be no shape outline. Okay, perfect. So now we create a circle by selecting the circle or oval shape tool, then select shift from the keyboard, then drag it for proportionally create a oval. Okay, perfect. Now we'll move it to the left side and we'll change the color. For change the color, just double click on the oval shape or circle shape, and we will see the shape fill option, and you can change the color to white and shape outline color to darkish gray. Okay, now we should increase this left side a little bit. Okay, perfect. Now we will place a picture. For placing picture, just right click on the from the mouse, then select the format shape option. Okay, now we will fill this shape with a picture. The picture will be a pile. Okay, okay, we will select this picture, then just click on the insert button. It will automatically place the picture. Okay, perfect. Now click on the close button. Okay, perfect. Now we create a rounded rectangle. So for creating a rounded rectangle, just select on the insert button, then click on rounded rectangular tool option, then drag the left button from by the mouse. Okay, perfect. Now fill the shape with no color and the outline will be little darkish. Now we'll add a text on this rectangle. So right click on the rectangle and click on add text option. We will pick a name, Emity Peter. The font color is white. Now we'll change this color to black. Okay, perfect. Now we'll increase the font size to 20 and font will be bold. Now we'll change this to all capital letter. Okay, there we go. First move this rectangle to upper portion a little bit. Okay, now we'll add a text on this shape. So just right click on the shape and select the add text or edit text option. By default the option is in the middle. We should change this option from middle to top. So by selecting the right button and click on the format shape button, then select the text option, then this layout and properties option. By default the vertical alignment is middle. We will change this to top position. Okay, perfect. Now it is on the top. We can change the left margin to 0.5 and the right margin to 0.5. Okay, perfect. Now we will add text on this place. We will close this option by selecting the close icon. We should move this text in this position. So select all text on this from this shape, then click on this option, then remove space after paragraph. Okay, perfect. Okay. I will increase this text size to bold. Okay, perfect. Now I will increase this font size to 12 and we will add a space between this letter. So click on the font expanded ribbon, then you will get a menu for changing the font option. So then click on the advanced option, then spacing will be expanded and by 2 foot. Okay, click on the OK button. Perfect. Now we'll add this line shape tool. So click on the insert button, then select the line tool and create a line. The line shape outline will be darkish gray. Okay, perfect. We'll move this a little bit. Okay. We can make the alignment in the middle and move this name to a little bit upper section, and we can add a stroke on this shape. So for adding a stroke, by just double click on this shape and you can add a outline, and the outline height will be 2.5 feet, 2.25 feet. Okay, perfect. I will move this line a little bit on the upper section. Okay. Now we will create the profile section. So just duplicate this rectangle. So for duplicating this rectangle, click on the control button from the keyboard, then drag the rectangle to the down position. Okay, change this name to profile and decrease this size a little bit from left to right. We can change this margin to 0 by moving this on the middle position. Okay, perfect. Now we'll add text. It will be dummy text or sample text. Okay, perfect. Okay, now we'll decrease the space between this letter. So click on the font ribbon and spacing will be normal and click on the OK. Okay, perfect. The font will be Roboto medium. Perfect. The font size will be 10. Okay, now it's all is okay. We can format this shape for the text, left position and right position. Left margin will be 0.1, right margin will be 0.1. Okay, perfect. Now close this option. Okay, perfect. We will add some extra text. Okay, now we create the skill section. So again duplicate this layer, select the control key from the keyboard and drag this profile section to the down position and change the profile to skills. Okay, now we will add some skills on this section. So select the rounded rectangular tool again, then drag this by the mouse and change this to this color and shape will be no outline. Okay, perfect. Then duplicate this again by selecting control from the keyboard, then change this color to white, then decrease this size a little bit. Okay, perfect. Okay, we have interchanged this. It will be darkish gray and the font rectangle will be dark color. Okay, perfect. Now we'll decrease the size by zoom out. Select this to shape, then decrease this size a little bit. Okay, perfect. Okay, now again select this two layer and duplicate it by selecting Ctrl key from the keyboard. You will add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 skills will be added with Photoshop. The font will be okay. Now I'll move this in the down section. Okay, perfect. We can change this color little darkish. Okay, perfect. We'll copy this again and again. You'll change your own. You'll select this also, zoom out, then duplicate these 4 layers again, and move in the down section. And we will decrease this size again for adding our contact section. So just select all this rectangle and reduce their size a little bit. Okay, perfect. Now we will move this on the upper position. Okay, now move them a little bit upper section. Perfect. Now move them also. Okay. Okay, we have almost completed our skill section. Just move them a little bit. You can decrease this size by selecting this. It is easy. Okay, perfect. And change this name also. Now we will add the contact section on the down. Okay, it will be contact. Increase this size a little bit. Now we will add phone, email, and other address. You should move this. We should move this also in the upper position also for adding our contact section. Just select them and move them to the upper section. Okay, perfect. Now we'll move this contact section also. Okay. Now we'll add phone, email, and address. Okay, we have completed our left section. Now we'll start the right section. So firstly we create the experience section. So we will insert a text box. It will be simple text box. Layout option will be in front of text. Okay, perfect. And we will change the outline to no outline and shape fill will be no fill. Okay, perfect. Now we'll change this text to experience and the font will be Calibri body 26 bold. The font color will be this darkish gray color. Okay, perfect. Now we'll change this shape margin to 0 from the left side and left, right, top and bottom also. Okay, perfect. And decrease the size also. Okay. Now we'll add a line tool. So just select this line and duplicate this and move it to this section and increase this size to a little bit. So this shape option. Okay. Now we'll add 2010, 2012 and it will be roboto medium 14 size. The perfect text color will be darkish gray, and we will add a line tool also, and shape outline will be darkish. Okay, perfect. Now we'll add job position. Here the text will be 16 size, and we will add some lorem ipsum text also. We should remove the space by selecting remove space after paragraph option. Okay, perfect. Now I should decrease the size to Roboto regular 11. Now I should decrease the size to Roboto regular, and the font size will be Roboto regular. The font size will be 11. Okay, perfect. Now let's some extra text. You can add your own. I just show you the sample. It will be Roboto light. None. Okay, perfect. Okay, now I'll duplicate it. Again and again. For about 3 times. Duplicate this line shape also. Okay, perfect. Now we'll add our education section. Simply select them, first select this experience and type tool, select the line tool, and also select this 3 tool also. So first select this text shape, first select this text box. Okay, perfect. Now we create our education section. So first select this experience text box and this line tool, and this line and this. Okay, now we create our education section. So first select this text box and duplicate it by selecting Ctrl key from the keyboard. Okay, perfect. And select also this layer and select this text also and copy them. and paste on this. Okay, perfect. And press Ctrl B and press. Now press Ctrl B for paste. Okay, you can change your own text. So now you select this line and this line also and duplicate them and move them in the down position. Okay, perfect. We'll change this to education. You will change this to your school, college and university too, and subject also. Okay, perfect. Now we'll create another section which is awards. This is our last section. Okay, perfect. Now we will add a list of our award. So for adding list, just select this option by bullet option and check mark. Okay, perfect. Now we will create text. It will be Roboto regular 11. Okay, perfect. You can move this to the left position also. Okay. Now let's some extra text. The text size will be 9 and the font will be Roboto right. Okay, perfect. We'll add some space between them and duplicate this and paste it again. Okay, perfect. We have created our award section also. Okay, so now we have completed our resume in Microsoft Word document. So thank you guys to watch my video tutorial. Hope you like it.